Tired of the AI noise? Your workflow, now smarter. Real help, built right in. Get more done, effortlessly. This is Google Workspace with Gemini. Welcome to Help Not Hype, a series showcasing how Google Workspace, enhanced with Gemini, solves real business challenges and delivers concrete value. We're cutting through the AI clutter to bring you real assistance, right where you work. Let's introduce you to one of our users and the real-world problem they're facing. Meet Huang. She's a product manager at a water purifier company, helping the sales team learn and share product knowledge. Huang faces a common challenge in her role. Let's see what it is. With so many product models and frequent updates, it's challenging for the team to stay aligned and clearly explain every detail to customers. Huang organized multiple water purifier manuals and uploaded them into NotebookLM, using its powerful organization capabilities to generate training content. NotebookLM turns Huang's materials into clear training videos in minutes, organizing key points and creating a polished script and storyboard, helping the sales team quickly learn how to present the product while saving her valuable time. What does Huang love about NotebookLM? Instead of constant questions, training prep now takes just 10 minutes, cut down from 2 hours, with over 85% efficiency gained. Ready to transform your workflow? Experience the help, not the hype. Google Workspace, truly helpful AI.